Today we will see how to create a property in Google Analytics 4. So for this you have to create a Google Analytics 4 account. For creating GA4 account you have to go to Google Analytics website and then you have to sign in with your Gmail ID. It will ask you some questions related to your business. You have to just complete the process and your account will be created. So here I have my account already created. This is how my dashboard looks like. Now we will move ahead to create a new property here. Now for creating new property you have to click on create property button. Now we'll move to the next slide. It will ask you details of your property. Here we have to fill property name. So I'm typing here GA4 tutorial property name, and now we have to select time zone. You can select according to your country. For me it is India, so I'm selecting India here. Now you have to select currency. You can select according to your country. For me it is Indian rupee. Now clicking on the next button, we will go to the next step, and in the next step we have to select business category. So in the drop down you will find different categories for your business, and for me it will be jobs in education. So I'll select here jobs in education. Now select the size of your company. You can select according to your business. Second step is completed and moving to the next. Now in the third step you have to select business objectives. So you can select according to your business. For me it is generate leads and raise brand awareness and determine user behavior. So after selecting objectives for your business you have to click on the create button, and after clicking you will move to the fourth step. In the fourth step, for starting data collection you have to select platform. For me it will be website. You can select according to your requirement. Now you have to fill the details of website. So here you have to type the URL of your website. I'm copy pasting here, and it is showing invalid because HTTPS is appearing 2 times. So remove the HTTPS because you have already selected HTTPS in the box. So now it is valid. Now you have to type the stream name. Here it is GA4 tutorial by Palak. So now you can see enhanced measurement here. Along with the page views you can measure scrolls, outbound clicks, and 4 other options available. Site search, video engagement, and okay, so you have to now click on this button create stream, and it will take you to the next step. You have to click on view tag instructions on the right corner. Now the code will appear. You have to copy this code and go to your website. You have to paste this code in the coding of your website. So this is my website, and go to the coding section of your website, and for coding you have to go to themes and click on customize and edit HTML. Now you have to search the head option in the coding. Just paste this Google tag in the head section of your coding and now update the file. After updating, you can see the reports on Google Analytics account. This is how your dashboard will appear, and you can check the reports of your website on this Google Analytics account.